Looking at future tracker for the rest of tonight, again, showers and storms continue to develop. Any of these storms into early tomorrow morning can become strong with some gusty wind with them. It's something you want to stay weather alert for into the morning. We're going to keep a close watch on these here at Storm Team 27 and right through 27 First News tomorrow morning. The risk is there for a stronger storm with gusty winds, some brief heavy rain on through the morning. We'll catch a small break and then waiting on that cold front to move through early in the afternoon, and that'll line up another round of showers and storms with it as it pushes through into the early afternoon. These two could be strong if this can regenerate into the afternoon, and then down go the temperatures and some snow showers sneaking back in here into tomorrow night. I don't expect a lot of snow, but it's going to be cold and blustery, that's for sure. Going into Sunday, we start the day cool, but we warm up into the low 40s by the afternoon, and a lot of sunshine on the way as we go on through Sunday afternoon. In fact, that sunshine's going to stick around to start next week. The rest of tonight, watching for showers and storms to move in. Wind continues to increase. A very gusty start to your Saturday. Showers, thunderstorms possible through tomorrow morning, staying windy all day long. Any of these storms can be on the strong side, with gusty wind the main threat out of these, at least until early afternoon. But the wind continues with that cooler air tomorrow evening and tomorrow night with a few snow showers. The good weather, sunny Sunday. Sunny Monday. Temperatures keep climbing. We're back to 50 by Tuesday. In fact, mid to upper 50s on into Wednesday and Thursday of next week, with the chance of showers sneaking back in with those warmer temperatures.